Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about bird strikes, a topic that's crucial for aviation safety. Bird strikes can be extremely dangerous for airplanes, affecting their performance and safety. You see, when birds hit a plane, it can damage important parts like the engines, windshields, and wings. This isn't just a minor issue. This can cost a lot of money to fix, cause delays, and even lead to accidents. The financial and safety implications are significant. Recently there was a situation at Jeonnamuan International Airport in South Korea that showed just how serious bird strikes can be. It was a wake-up call for many. So, in this video we're going to look at the dangers of bird strikes and why they are such a big concern for the aviation industry. We'll also explore what the aviation industry is doing to stop them from happening. From advanced radar systems to trained birds of prey, the measures are fascinating. Bird strikes happen everywhere in the world, from small regional airports to major international hubs, and they're a big problem for airlines. The maintenance and safety protocols are constantly evolving to tackle this issue. Even small birds can cause a lot of damage because when they hit a plane going really fast, the impact is super strong. The speed of the aircraft amplifies the force of the collision. Bird strikes usually happen at lower altitudes, like when planes are taking off or landing, which is when they are most vulnerable, because that's where birds hang out the most. Airports are constantly working on new strategies to keep birds away and ensure safe flights. Bird strikes aren't just dangerous, they also cost the aviation industry a ton of money. These incidents can lead to significant financial burdens for airlines. Airlines have to spend a fortune fixing planes that have been damaged by birds. The repair costs can be astronomical, often involving extensive labor and replacement parts. In 2024 alone, bird strikes cost the industry about $1.2 billion worldwide, and that's not even counting the money lost from delayed or canceled flights. These delays can disrupt travel plans for thousands of passengers. When a bird strike happens, airlines might have to ground the plane, which messes up flight schedules and makes them lose money. The ripple effect can be felt across the entire network of flights, but it's not just about the money. Bird strikes can also damage important parts of the plane, like the engines, windshields, and wings. These damages can compromise the safety and integrity of the aircraft. The most common type of damage is to the engine. Engine repairs are particularly costly and time-consuming. About 44% of bird strikes hit the engine, and even a small bird can cause a lot of damage, which could make the engine fail. This can lead to emergency landings and other critical situations, and that's a really big safety concern. Ensuring the safety of passengers and crew is always the top priority for airlines. On December 29, 2024, Jeju Air Flight 2216, a Boeing 737-800, had a bird strike while taking off from Jeonnamuan International Airport in South Korea. This incident was a stark reminder of the dangers that bird strikes pose to aviation safety. There were 190 passengers and crew members on board, all of whom were looking forward to reaching their destinations safely. During takeoff, the plane hit a flock of birds, causing immediate concern. The pilots quickly informed air traffic control about the situation. They declared a mayday and tried to land the plane safely. The tension in the cockpit was palpable as they worked to bring the aircraft back to the ground. The plane landed without its landing gear down and caught fire upon impact. The situation was dire and quick action was needed. Thankfully, no one died, but some passengers and crew members were hurt. Emergency responders were on the scene quickly to assist the injured. The plane was badly damaged, and this incident shows how important it is to have ways to prevent bird strikes and to train pilots on what to do if they hit a bird. Bird control measures at airports are crucial for preventing such incidents. The investigation into the crash is still going on, but one thing is clear: bird strikes can have terrible consequences. This event underscores the need for ongoing vigilance and improved safety protocols in aviation. After the Jeju Air Flight 2216 incident, experts have been looking into how bird strikes can lead to serious problems during a flight. Professor Yoon Gun-jin from Seoul National University, a leading expert in aviation safety, talked about how even a small bird strike can damage a plane and cause a chain reaction that could lead to an accident. Dane Williams, an aviation safety analyst with Aviation Safety Asia, said that modern airplane engines are designed to withstand bird strikes. They're tested to make sure they can still work even after sucking in a bird. But He also said that if a plane hits a lot of birds or a really big bird, it can be too much for the engine to handle, and that could cause it to fail. The aviation industry is always working on ways to prevent bird strikes and keep everyone safe. They use things like wildlife management, radar systems, changes to how planes are designed, and pilot training. Airports have programs to reduce the number of birds around the airfield. They might change the environment to make it less appealing to birds, or use things like fireworks or trained dogs to scare birds away from the runways. Airports also use radar systems to spot birds and warn pilots. These radar systems can track groups of birds near the airport, and air traffic controllers use this information to warn pilots about possible bird strikes. This gives pilots time to steer clear of the birds or wait to take off or land until it's safe.